Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 53, class 9th science for the date 9th November. As you know that your lesson tissue is going on, today we are going to discuss about the last tissue that is known as nervous tissue. So how do we respond immediately to any stimuli? So firstly you should know what is stimuli. Any foreign object which allows or results your body to respond, or any actions which you do against any object, that is known as stimuli. So we know that the response to stimuli is the characteristic feature of all organisms. जनरली सभी जो जीव जंतु हैं वो कोई भी इस तरह की जो हरकतें होती हैं उसके खिलाफ प्रदर्शन करते हैं. All cells possess the ability to respond according to the stimuli, and these stimuli are very rapidly transmitted from one part of the body to the other by the specialized tissue which are known as nervous tissue. Actually these stimuli are converted to the nervous impulse and then they are transported from one part to the other part of your body. You can see here in the picture also, your finger is touching a hot candle. This signal is transferred to your spinal cord, and then spinal cord send message to your muscles and you remove your hand. So this is your response. So what is nervous tissue? The brain, spinal cord and nerves all are composed of nervous tissue, hence it forms the nervous system. The functional unit of nervous tissue is called neuron. Okay, there are three parts of neuron. You can see from the picture also: dendrite, cell body and axon. So this is the dendrite, this is your cell body, and this part is known as axon. Nucleus, cytoplasm and other organelles are present in cell body of the neuron, and all these things are present in the neuron. Nucleus is there, cytoplasm and different organelles which are generally found in a cell. Usually each neuron has a single long structure called the axon and many short branches called the dendrites. You can see this is the single long structure axon and these branches are known as dendrites. An individual nerve cell may be up to 1 meter long. The length may be 1 meter long. Many nerve fibers bound together by connecting tissues make up a nerve fiber or nerve. Different nerve fibers, when they join together, they form the nerve fiber or nerves, you can say. Different functions of neuron we can see. They transfer electrical signal transmitted, and these electrical signals are known as nerve impulse. So the signals are transferred in the form of electricity. Dendrites of one neuron remain in contact with the nerve ending of the other neuron and transmit nerve impulse from the different part of the body to the brain, or you can say spinal cord. Neurons send and receive signals from brain. The functional combination of nerves and muscle tissue enables animals to move freely in response to stimuli. The combination of different nerves and muscles helps the animal to move freely and respond to the stimuli. You can see these are the different parts which are mainly having the neuron, these three, and all these three make your nervous system. Question answers. First question, write the main function of the nervous tissue. The main function of nervous tissue is to receive stimuli and send signal to the brain and spinal cord, and these signals are sent to the muscle via the nerve. Draw a well-labeled diagram of neuron. You can see the diagram of neuron. Third question, what is nerve impulse? The electrical signal transmitted through nerve fiber is called nerve impulse. Which organ is formed by nervous tissue? The brain, spinal cord and nerves all are composed of nervous tissue. Every body part have presence of nervous tissue and together they form the nervous system. You can write nervous system also, that together these form nervous system. This completes your worksheet. Hope you like the worksheet. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe.